If you've ever looked at those beautiful birthday parties on Pinterest and wondered how everybody makes those parties look so beautiful and magical without spending hundreds or thousands, then this video is for you. The biggest mistake that I see most parents make is putting all of their money and attention into the birthday cake, only for everything around it to feel completely disconnected. The decorations don't match, the table doesn't tell a story, and the magic lasts only as long as the candles. But what if I told you that with just a handful of digital printable decorations, you can transform an ordinary party into a beautifully styled, cohesive celebration that looks thoughtfully designed, photographs beautifully, and creates memories your family will treasure for years. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of a real client order. It all started with one very simple request for a cow-themed birthday cake for a little boy turning 2. I'll show you how I designed the initial concept design board, illustrated every single detail of the character in Canva, transformed these illustrations into a complete matching printable party collection, and then brought the entire vision to life by handcrafting this exact character into a beautiful fondant designed cake. By the end of this video, you will see how one simple cake idea became a beautiful, unforgettable party event, and how you can use the exact same approach for any party theme that you like. Everything you see here started with one simple message from a client. She was looking for a cow-themed birthday cake for her little boy's 2nd birthday. Now, I could have just designed a beautiful cake, but I always asked myself one simple question. How can I make this celebration even more magical? Because the cake is only one part of the memory. The photos, the decorations, the little details that make children smile, that's what people remember years later. So before I even started making the cake, I designed a complete party concept that the client could approve. Once the design board was finalised, I illustrated this adorable little cow character and used it throughout the entire collection so that every single item felt like it belonged together. The invitation became the first glimpse guests would have of the party, whether they received it as a printed invitation or instantly on their phone. From there, every little detail started coming together. I created simple, printable favour bag labels that transform inexpensive bags of little milk bottle sweets into personalised party favours. I absolutely love ideas like this because they're incredibly affordable, but when they're repeated across a party, they make such a huge visual impact. I carry the same design into the milk bottles with little matching striped paper straws, creating another inexpensive detail that instantly reinforces the theme. It's proof that you don't need expensive decorations when everything coordinates beautifully. Once all the printables were ready, it was time to bring the room to life. A simple black, white and cream balloon garland, a few rustic farmhouse touches, and suddenly the whole space felt warm, playful and completely immersive. Then came my favourite part, creating the cake. With the party collection complete, it was finally time to bring the little cow character into the real world. I hand sculpted every element in fondant, from his sweet little face and floppy ears to the tiny party hat and balloons. To tie the cake perfectly into the collection, I added playful cow print fondant patches around the white chocolate ganache cake, along with tiny handcrafted birthday presents and a gold fondant number 2 balloon. Those little finishing touches transformed the cake from simply being a dessert into the centerpiece of the entire celebration. When everything was finally placed together, you could really see the power of designing a party as one complete collection rather than lots of separate decorations. Every colour, every illustration, every printable, every tiny detail worked together to tell one story. And finally came the best part of all. Watching the little 2-year-old celebrate surrounded by family, laughter and a birthday that felt truly made just for him. For me, that's what designing parties is really about. Not spending a fortune, not filling a room with expensive decorations. It's about creating beautiful memories that feel personal, look incredible, and become memories that families will treasure for years to come. And it all started with one simple request for a cow birthday cake.